What is up? What is going on? What is going on? It's Chill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. Are we going to the moon now? Bitcoin is trying to break out and Ethereum is pumping like crazy. Are we back in a bull market? So let's check some of the metrics and some of the fundamentals and technical analysis about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And also ApeCoin, watch out, might pump up to 50%. So let's check first the overall crypto market. Bitcoin is trying to break out, poking the resistance at $23,000, $23,200 to be exact. Trying to poke that resistance level, resistance trend line. Ethereum is still hovering on top of the bull flag, or on top of the symmetrical triangle. $1564. BNB, most of our cryptos are pumping together with, after Ethereum, Bitcoin right now is pumping. I think this is the flow of money transferring from Ethereum, going to the Ethereum ecosystem, Polygonmatic, now transferring the cash to Bitcoin. And we'll see what's the cycle after this. Cardano is up by 16% in the past 7 days. Solana as well, one of the strong movers, $46. Polkadot is almost back at $8. I'm happy to see my long-term portfolio, but I don't think this is going straight to the moon. Later, I'm going to explain why. Polygonmatic, AVAX, $25, 43%. Polygonmatic is up by 60% in the past 7 days. AVAX is up by 43% in the past 7 days. Massive pump. Tron is still at 0.069, up by 5%. Uni is up by 30%. Most of the cryptos are just popping out left and right now. And fear and greed index is at 30. So I think most of the Moon Boys and our FOMO traders are feeling happy. They don't fear the market right now because everything is just going to the moon. So they are more confident right now. They don't fear. So right now, fear and greed index is at 30. So yesterday we are still on extreme fear. Now it's only fear. So maybe tomorrow this will go back to almost the yellow area here. Let's check. You see crypto bubbles. We have FTM. Which bubble is going to pop first? FTM at 22%, XEM, Solana as well, AVAX, Mana. I think most of these are play to earn, and Metaverse are popping out as well. Engine, Mana, Axie Infinity also moving. Quant, we have LDO, we have Flow, ETC, Waves is also up by 14% today. I think mostly are up today, but the biggest bubble right now is Phantom, 22% today, followed by XEM at 20%. So let's check other metrics before we check the news. We have here the order book, and this is the order book of Bybit, OKX, Binance, BitMEX, and Huobi. And right now, still, the shorters in the market are more than the longs. What could possibly happen? We have some orders here. You can see the size of BTC and the total BTC order here. And we have some certain numbers. The biggest, we have 94 or 4,300 BTC total at 23,000 compared to 23,320. We still have a lot of long position here at 23,000 waiting, 4,200 and 3,800 BTC shorters at $23,320. So we still have almost equal. Actually, it's moving almost equal. But when you're going to look at this chart here, still at 23,850, we have until 24 longs from 21,800. Our short still goes up to 24,400. 24,500 level is the highest number of shorters. So let's see, where can Bitcoin possibly hit, and what will be the next target for Bitcoin? All right, so let's check the number of long and short position for Bitcoin and Ethereum in most of the exchanges right now. You're looking at 5-minute time frame BTC chart, mostly long in Deribit, and also Kraken are mostly long, but we have shorters in Binance, 50%. OKX is shorts are 48%, 51% long. In BitGET, we have 53% long position in 5-minute time frame. Let's check the 15-minute time frame, mostly long in 15-minute time frame. And let's check up to 24 hours. 1 hour, almost 50-50 on this level, on the current level. So let's check Bitcoin, 50-50 long and short. Orange line we have here, this is hard to use. 50, 100, 20, this is 50-day EMA. acting as resistance right now in confluence with the resistance trend line, which is also the top level of our bull or our bear flag. So we are right now on the most critical level, and this is 50-50% chance for long position and short position. But later I'm going to explain to you my bias about this current structure and with the current market status and market sentiments. Let's check 4-hour time frame, almost equal for BTC. Higher time frame from 1 hour up to 12 hours up to 24 hours are almost 50-50 on the current level. Let's check Ethereum. These are the hottest crypto right now. Ethereum popping out, leading the rally. Bitcoin following right now. I think most of the OGs in the cryptoverse are holding Bitcoin, and that is why we have a lot of BTC pair, because the first crypto that was created is Bitcoin, and mostly most of the OGs and the whales are holding Bitcoin, and they're trading not USDT but Bitcoin pair. That is why you are going to see the translation of money and how the money moves in crypto from Ethereum to the Ethereum ecosystem, now back to Bitcoin. Ethereum, let's check 5-minute time frame. Still, majority is still on long position, 49%, 50% in Binance. OKX, 54% shorters. In BITGET, 59% shorters. So these are the top exchanges in derivatives. So we have Binance, we have OKX, we have BITGET, we have FTX. These are the hottest right now in derivatives trading. 54% FTX, 54% short in the smaller time frame. Let's check smaller time frame. Usually scalpers, quick trades, quick scalps, same as 15-minute time frame. We have mostly 50-50 deribit, mostly longs. 1 hour 30 minutes. 30-minute time frame, we have mostly shorts. We have mostly shorts in the 30-minute time frame. 1 hour time frame, Ethereum almost 50-50. 4 hours, still majority are shorting Ethereum right now. 52%, 51, 50, 48. So almost 50-50 in the 1 hour to 24 hour. From 1 hour time frame up to 24 hour time frame, BTC and Ethereum almost 50-50 position. So let's check what are the hottest news before we check the chart and the possible target. Still on this level. So let's check. Let's focus on the 4 hour time frame. We might get some action later on here, but still this could be a fake out. We are right now in the most critical level for Bitcoin, and the same as Ethereum. Later I'm gonna show you the charts why. So let's check first. Bitcoin lurks 2 hours ago, 22K as US dollar fall from peak. Ethereum gains 20%. It's all about Ethereum for crypto traders on the day as Bitcoin faces crucial resistance and a slew of sellers lying in wait. Bitcoin huge. One sec, guys. Let me just charge my camera here. Right. Very hot outside. So, Bitcoin hugged 22,000 on the 19th of July as macro conditions slowly turned to favor risk assets. Stocks, crypto rise as dollar weakens. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTCUSD cooling volatility immediately below the crucial 200-week moving average, or WMA. The Wall Street Open saw further gains for United States equities in the face of declining US dollar. So right now, guys, if you have watched the previous video, I have explained when Bitcoin was actually crashing back to around 17,000. I'm actually live during that time, and I have spent 2 hours doing the live stream. And you know, my target for the possible bottom for Bitcoin is around $16,000 to $20,000, and lowest just in case we go on a recession will be $14,000. And I'm currently holding Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the altcoins in my long-term portfolio. My current average is at 18.5 or $18,500 for Bitcoin, $1,000 for Ethereum, and my long-term portfolio is just up, and I'm hedging my position right now using my futures account. Stocks. All right, so BTC cooling volatility immediately. All right, we're done. Wall Street faced declining US dollar, which extended its retracement after hitting its latest 2-decade peak. Let's check DXY later on. The US dollar index stood at around 106.5 at the time, writing down to 2.6 from the high seen July 14. Bitcoin analyst, it was thus a case of wait and see. Market bided their time between buy and sell level. So this is Crypto Tony tweeting about these are the option on Bitcoin, right? If we can sustain above 21,700 range high and gain momentum, we can pump the wave 3. So wave 3. However, if we die down, I'm looking for another corrective wave. So let's check this Elliott wave from Crypto Tony. Must remain above this level to remain bullish. This is A, B. Why we skip this one? A, B, C. 1, 2. So you skip this one. A, B, C, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have impulse wave here. Starting wave C, this is around 23,000, and 22,000 is the level he's watching. So let's compare it with our chart. We need to watch this level here to maintain higher highs and higher lows. Level to maintain bullish momentum. So this will be the level here, and we have also blue line Blue line is the 200. So we have a bullish cross here. If you can see 200-day moving average or exponential moving average, let's see, let's just make sure. 200 and 20-day, this is a bullish cross right here. That is about to happen. Bullish cross in the 4-hour time frame. This is a lagging indicator, so this must be it right now. So let's see, because once this cross, we might see further pump to the upside. But one thing we need to consider right now is Bitcoin is at a very critical level here. Resistance trend line, plus if you're going to check the daily time frame, we have the 50-day exponential moving average acting as resistance right now. So let's go back to the tweet of Crypto Tony. However, if we die, I am looking for another corrective wave down. So let's check for possible ABC wave correction, just in case Bitcoin will get rejected from 23,000-ish level. Share this chart before, but like the DXY is tanking, resulting into risk on assets showing some momentum. So one of the reasons why most of the alts and Bitcoin, Ethereum are pumping, because DXY or the dollar index is currently tanking, and that is why we have some money inflows going to the stocks and to the riskier assets like crypto. Yields needs to drop now too, but the weakness on dollar could put more strength on crypto and Bitcoin. So he's saying here that the yields needs to drop now, but the weakness on the dollar, the weakness of the dollar could push the price of crypto higher. On-chain monitoring resources material indicators, meanwhile, flag the difference in strength between psychological levels such as 21,000, 20,000, and the 200 weekly moving average closer to 23,000. In my own opinion, resistance at 21, 22 are psychological, whereas 200 weekly moving average serves as legit technical resistance. Fire chart shows more BTC bid liquidity coming into support and RS flip 21,000. It told Twitter follower today, publishing data from Binance order book. So let's check this out. All right. The day belongs to Ethereum. Deja vu for altcoin traders, meanwhile, came in form of outperformance from ETH versus other cryptocurrencies intraday gain. So I think the reason for the pump of Ethereum is because of the merge. And that is been delayed for several times. But the difference right now is the developers have provided a date, which is happening on September. Ethereum already up by 25% in a week, added to its momentum overnight, climbing another 20%, just 24 hours, briefly past 1,600 resistance in the form of 2018 high and 1530. So this was the 2018 high, 1530, posted little problem for bulls with the level forming support focus at the time of writing. Ethereum relative to Bitcoin has closed above the resistance. Popular trading game traders forecast. Right, so that's for Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. That's the news. So let's check one more news. We could benefit from this as well, and later on let's check the chart. Let me add it on the list. So let's check Bitcoin, Ethereum, and APE. All right. ApeCoin price eyes 45% rally following other side metaverse demo. Ape has been pursuing a rare ascending triangle breakout, reversal breakout, with its profit target at 8.4. Let's open APE chart. APE chart. So, to the VIPs, I have shared this chart earlier. Long position at 95. Now, pump back up to $99. So this was a quick long. By the way, to all the viewers right now, all the information provided in this channel are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Cryptocurrency is highly volatile and only invest what you can afford to lose. So this call was for the VIPs and accidentally you have seen it. So long position at around 95, stop loss 92.26, possible short position at 103, and stop loss at 107 for Aave. And not financial advice. APE, what's the target again? Target is 8.4, 45% rally. So the target is 8.4, somewhere around here. Oh, massive. $45 rally from the current support, which is around 5.6. We have the previous short position here. Support level, perfect bounce from support. I think Kristen from our VIP have asked about APE. I hope you have taken advantage of this chart. I think you have asked at when APE was just hovering at around $4, and this was the key level support to maintain bullish momentum. And right now, I'm not watching this coin, but right now it's up by almost 41% from our support, blue line, and this was the key from the blue line. APE got rejected, and I was looking at this. So similar later on, similar chart we are going to consider for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So higher high, higher lows, no break of trend. Key level support to maintain bullish momentum have held. That is why we have seen a continuous pump to the upside. And right now, this level 5.631, the previous resistance here and stop loss is now serving as a support and forming a W pattern here. And based on the news, possible target is 8.4. Let's see if it's possible. Let's check the weekly and the daily time frame. Shared on alpha. Here's what I think about ETH. Aiming 1650 CME, then correction, bid for consolidation before next leg. Your thoughts on this? I will share you the Ethereum chart shortly. But let's check APE first. So right now APE is on the resistance level, weekly time frame. The next resistance is around $8 weekly time frame. So that is actually that news if APE will be able to break and confirm the previous resistance as a support. You see we have a breakout, retested support right now, forming higher high. If this level will hold here, 5 point blue line 5.989. If this will continue to hold, we have some small resistances along the way. Let me color it orange line. And our next weekly target, strong resistance at around $8. Weekly, next weekly resistance. So based on the news, APE could pump another 45%. Targeting 8.4, but my level will be around $8 because this will be the next weekly resistance for APE. And if this current blue line, which is also the resistance level, APE right now is trying to break this very strong resistance level here. So if this blue line manages to hold, or this red line at 5.6 key level support to maintain bullish momentum, this will be the next level that you need to watch out. Blue line and this line right here, 5.65 $5. So let's check what is this event all about. ApeCoin rallied to start the week as traders considered Yoga Labs' decision. So let's check first, 7 hours ago. Yoga Labs' decision to open its other side metaverse for selected users. In doing so, the token broke out from its technical pattern. That is why, guys, it's very important. We need to follow this. We need to follow this. The metaverse breaking. We need to follow this kind of tweets and news, because we could take advantage of such news, guys. Let me follow the metaverse. What was the Twitter handle? At the metaverse. Is it at the metaverse? At the metaverse. At the metaverse. Can't find it. Okay, so let's just continue. Other side, APE price surged by almost 23% week to date to reach 6.12. Token July 19. All right. APE price eyes 45% rally. The other side, euphoria, has also prompted APE to exit technical setup called the ascending triangle. So we have here ascending triangle. This is a bullish pattern. Typically, the target will be the adjacent side of the triangle, and their target will be around 8.4. Let's compare it with our chart. Bitcoin still trying to break this 50-day EMA orange line, and also this is in confluence with the resistance trend line, and also trying to break out from the bear flag pattern. So this could go either here to the upside around this level, $30,000, or we could get rejection here, retest the previous support, and if this doesn't hold, we might plunge lower to the lower level at around $16,000 and revisit the previous low. Watch out in the coming days. Back to the news. APE, where is APE chart? APE chart. So we have here an ascending triangle based on the right. So let's just leave it like that. But based on this chart, ascending triangle breakout. Let's just measure it. 4-hour time frame. So ascending triangle, this will be the top of the triangle. This will be the adjacent side of the triangle. So possible target will be around 7.5 on my chart. But weekly next resistance, next target will be $8, just in case if this support at 5.4 and this blue line will continue to hold. Key level support at 5.6. We have some resistances along the way. 6.3, breaking above next target 7.1. We have less trades on this area, possible pop to 7.2 if Ethereum and Bitcoin continue to rally, and also the possible weekly next resistance will be at around $8. 42% rally for ApeCoin. And also, if just in case ApeCoin will reach this target, let's also check the event date, because this could also be a good possible short position for APE. So remind me if you are a member of our VIP so we can join the trade. All right, so time to read some of the chats and we'll check the charts. Whew. We have a lot of chats in the VIP. Let's try them, but it seems difficult. We go beyond 23,300 sustain, must reach 23,500, 2750, then we go 24. All right. 26 watching right now, so let's check. Rashad watching. Thanks for joining the live stream. Pat Murphy, hi, welcome. Will BTC hit 30,000? Let's check the charts shortly. Andres Jaworski, hello. Jabber, Maboob, hi. How are you? Shams Ula, what's up? How are you doing? What do you think about ETH next move? Long 87 ETH at 1371. Congratulations. Hey Chill, what's good? Azura. Easy lucky number 7, smashing the like. Thank you for smashing the like button. It's very hot over here in NL. Where is NL? How hot at your end? Currently 38 degrees, 9 p.m. Things pretty high. 9:30 p.m. still 38 degrees. $38 degrees outside. Hurricane, welcome to the stream. Do you TBIN? Do you think we will survive ETH trade? Let's check the chart later and let's check if we are going to survive. What's up, Chill? Sorry late. Abdul Rahman. 3 in Indians pattern maybe. Chill shared something on Alpha. All right, I've already checked it. Crypto news alert. What's the news? BTC just broke out of the bear flag. Did I join late or have you noticed it yet? Did it broke out? My goodness, let's check. Still trying to break. Currently trading at $23,222. Still trying to break, guys. This is going to surprise us when we are all asleep. Key level to watch out, or key level to maintain bullish momentum, similar with APE, will be around $21,800 for Bitcoin. Still forming higher high, higher low, still bullish. This will be the key level support that we need to watch out. Once Bitcoin trade below this, possible to revisit the previous support trend line and possible revisit the previous lows. And now the Netherlands. All right. Please tell about ASTR coin. What is ASTR coin? Fake out. We are 37 degrees. Oh, right now it's 37 degree on my computer. 1 hour chart RSI is cooked. 1 hour time frame broke out. Let's check the lower time frame. All right, for Bitcoin, guys, overall, we are still in a downtrend. If you're going to zoom out using the daily time frame, we are still inside this continuous downtrend, and we haven't broke any structures yet. Right now Bitcoin is in the most critical level. Just in case Bitcoin, let's check the weekly time frame, or the daily time frame is okay. And let me close some of this first. Just in case, guys, just to give you an idea, if Bitcoin is going to break out from its current bear flag pattern, as what you can see here, Bitcoin have free fall from the previous 30,000 support, broke the 30,000 support, broke out below the support trend line, and then we saw a very huge plunge to the downside here. The reason is we don't have much trade on this level. You see, empty. Unlike the other fall, or unlike the other areas where we have a lot of trades, so we have smaller movement here, consolidation, because we have a lot of trades on this level. Similar to what happened at around this level before we fall to the downside, still hovered and consolidated around this area because we have a lot of trades. And if you're going to compare it here, Bitcoin have dropped drastically, continuously, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days continuous drop. And right now Bitcoin is trying to break this resistance trend line, and two things is going to happen here. Once Bitcoin breaks above this resistance trend line, this bear flag pattern, we might see a further move to the upside, guys. Here, currently acting as a resistance, breakout, next target will be around $30,000. So be careful with both long and short position. But right now, also the long position is at risk because this is already on top of the bull flag pattern, and usually bull flag that doesn't break out starting to the downside, but bull flag starting to fall when it reach the resistance level here, down, tested the resistance, fall back to the support. Right now we are on the resistance level. If this will get rejected and we break this level to maintain bullish momentum, we might see a free fall directly to $16,000, $17,000 previous low. We might revisit these levels. So also previously we have seen this continuous move to the upside. We have bearish divergence here. Volume continues to move down, but right now we have 2 days of continuous pump with volume, guys. So this pump is supported with volume. So my bias right now is, I think it is more risky to put a long position here right now, especially we are still on the resistance level. So it is riskier to put a long position compared to short position, where you can just set your short position stop loss above this 50-day EMA at around $24,000. And compared to long, I think it's better if we can wait for a break, because this can also be a fake out. Bitcoin loves to do fake out and then suddenly drop. Especially this market is just being manipulated by the market makers and the whales. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. 64K next target. Are we going to the moon? Should I change my profile pic with laser eyes right now? 64K 1 hour time frame breakout. 1 hour time frame still trying to break the resistance trend line. So this is the 1 hour time frame. BTC is still trying to break the resistance at $23,328. Also, this will be the last resistance here. So let's see in the coming days. This is going to be very exciting for both long and short position. It depends actually on which chart are you using. Maybe you're using futures perpetual, also same. So this was a chart that I've shared a while ago in the VIP. Breakout from the symmetrical triangle, 4 hour time frame, retested support. So we have a breakout here, breakout, retested support. We have also a bullish cross here, 200-day EMA in the 4 hour time frame, 20-day EMA crossing above the blue line, which is the 200-day exponential moving average. This is a bullish cross, guys, and 50-50 for both long and short position. But considering all the my bias right now, considering all the inflation, Federal Reserve will be announcing rate hikes in the coming weeks. CPI at 9.1%. What else? Oil and gas rising. We have inflation highest in the past 20 years. We have the war in Ukraine. We have all the factors right now that we are going to recession, but also recession and the worst economic tragedy will also be the greatest financial opportunity, especially if you are aware of what happened during the 2008 crisis that lead to some of the investors buying the dip, and right now some of them just turned into millionaires. So I don't think we have hit the bottom. This doesn't look like the bottom, but if you have watched my previous video, my bottom target was around 16,000 to 20,000. I think I still have this chart. One sec. It's Bitstamp here. Logarithmic chart. Did I delete it? My goodness. I think I have deleted it. I have deleted my chart, but I've shared it on Twitter. Also, guys, looking at the weekly time frame, we are also in the weekly resistance level. Look at this weekly resistance level right now, trying to break the next target. Next stop, just in case we break above, will be $26,651 until $30,000, which was the previous strongest support for the entire 2021. Will be the will act as a resistance right now for Bitcoin. Let's check Ethereum. Mean lie, signed in 2 different accounts with 2 likes. Send me your wallet address. I'm gonna send you. Just kidding. But thank you for the 2 likes. Let's check Ethereum, guys. Overall, I think we are still in a overall downtrend. It is still possible that we are going to break above the 23,000 resistance and might possibly hit $30,000. You know what will happen? What happens to Bitcoin when it rallies? It really go crazy and just goes parabolic, especially the rallies during the bear market. Look at this, guys. I'm going to show you some data here. Previous rally. This is a sign of a bottom. This is a sign of a bottom. 2017. So this was the 2014, guys. 2014, 2013, 2014. This is the sign of the bottom. Wick to the downside. Push back up. Another wick to the downside. Push back up. Continue the rally. In 2017, we have this formation here. Drop, consolidate to the downside, form this triangle. Let's see if we can find similarities here. Form this ascending triangle. Breakout target. Hit the breakout target. Pop, consolidate, another pop, hit the breakout target. break the resistance 20 this resistance right here, we are seeing right now similarities here. The previous strongest resistance in 2017 break that resistance with a very big bullish candle, continue to move up by almost, look at this rally, 300% before plunging back down. And this happened '27, 189 days continuous pump after the all-time high, which is around 364 days, exactly 1 year. So this is a sample of a bottom, bounce back up and then continue to rally. So this one right here, this is a bit stamped. I think this is okay to delete this. So right now, we are on this level. Possibly, it could be possible that we have hit the bottom. We have a wick trying to recover right now in the weekly time frame. If this is the bottom, then that could possibly hit my target. But considering all the factors, if we're going to consider the April as the peak, let's just try. Already 427 days already, if we're going to consider the April peak, and we could have hit the bottom if we're going to consider the April peak. 365. Let me check the previous cycle, because 2017, it's 365 days, almost 1 year after the all-time high. So here, it's 413, 427, almost similar. If we're going to consider the April all-time high, and if we're going to consider this 365, so two things that we are watching right now. Possible bottom for Bitcoin could be July 13, and another, if we're going to consider the November 8 peak, our 1 year will be around November 7. So let's check if there is still a time to plunge down until 16,000 before November. Let's check this one. Previous chart. All right. In 2013, we have hovered on the lower level. In the 2017, we have hovered on the lowest level for 105 days before the breakout. And right now, no, this is too early. If we're going to consider this right now, this is too early. 35 days. 135 days. That will be around September. I think that it will be in confluence with my bottom target, which is around the last quarter of 2022. 23,000. I think we have Bitcoin, I think, is breaking out right now. $23,500. Let's see if this is a fake out or a breakout. We need to watch out right now. We need to watch out. So possibly, if we're going to consider the April as the all-time high, we might possibly hit the bottom here. And I think if we're going to consider the bottom for the bear market last time, let's check this one, 49 days before the breakout, hovered here 63 days, 42 days. This one is 200 days here, hovered below, bounce, drop. Let's check the EMAs. 200-day EMA. 2017, we have 200-day EMA. Breakout from 200-day EMA, all the lower EMA on top. All right, similar. So here, breakout, drop below 200-day EMA, drop below 200-day EMA. Waiting, cross. All right. So considering the previous, I think this is too early to break out right now. Also considering all the fundamentals and the factors of the inflation, the CPI report, Federal Reserve announcing rate hikes. Min Lai, wake me up when September ends. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's go back to the bear flag. Are we breaking out right now? Let's check the 1 hour time frame. We are breaking out. This could be a fake out or a full breakout that is about to happen. Ethereum, let's check Ethereum. Bitcoin popping out right now. This one is 4 hour time frame, orange line. We don't have much resistance. All the resistance right now acting as support, $23,500 dollar for Bitcoin, currently breaking out, guys. So watch out right now. For those who are trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin is breaking out at this moment. 4 hour time frame. Let's just compare some of the 4 hour time frame here. 4 hour time frame, big candle, another one. All right. This next candle will be 20, 21, 2, 3, 4. 12 midnight on my end will be the next candle. Watch out. If this continues to pump. Breakout confirmation. We have resistance here at 23,700. We don't have resistance on the weekly. On the daily time frame, also no resistance on the daily time frame. Let me check the left side. Daily time frame. We have this pink line. Strongest resistance at around $23,850. So watch out for this level. Once we confirm breakout from this pink line, I think that will be it. Right now, still on the process of breaking out This still could be a fake out. Watch out for the daily candle close. Today will be very critical, guys. Very critical. Watch out. If the daily candle close above, especially the 50-day EMA, this will go crazy, guys. This will go crazy. Watch out. And if this closes below the resistance trend line or just below the orange line 50-day EMA, we are still safe. The short positions are still safe, and this could still drop to the previous levels. So you need to watch out. Let's check Ethereum before we end the stream. Ethereum is slowing down. Currently, I think the money have moved to Bitcoin. Also, the volume starting to decrease at around this level. We have this daily time frame. No. Here, not this one. Here. So guys, for Ethereum also Ethereum is on the resistance level, this trend line. So this trend line, if you are in the copy trade, we still have our short position open, and if you want to set a stop loss, you can set it above here at around 1652. But what I'm thinking is this is already near the resistance level, and I will not be closing my position there, considering all the macroeconomics that is happening right now, especially the inflation and the war in Ukraine, federal rate hikes, Mt. Gox releasing 150,000 Bitcoin as payment. I think we are still in a bear market, and we can still go visit the lower level. I could be totally wrong 100%. This market could move in a crazy unexpected way anytime. That is just my own opinion right now. Ethereum is trying to break this resistance trend line, and if you're going to zoom out in the daily time frame, we have a very strong resistance on this level. Where is my Ethereum chart? We have a very strong resistance at around 1728 level, and we could be rejected. If you can see the previous price action for Ethereum could pump crazy pump, but also could dump as crazy as it pumps. You see here from the consolidation pump by almost 45%, then dropping equally on the same level where it pumped. Here, another example is this one right here. Pump directly from 1,700 until $4,000. Then after a few 55 days, drop back to its previous level. And if you're going to check here, let's check the one indicator. AV. Let's use one indicator. Klinger. Klinger KV is not here. Why it's not here? Indicators. If we're going to use this KC channel, guys, KC channel, we are, or Ethereum is already outside the top of the channel. And if you're going to check the chart previously, Ethereum here have pumped by almost 40%, went out of the channel, but then eventually dropped back to the lower level. Let's check the previous charts as well. Here also, pump from the lowest channel up to the peak of the KC channel down to its lower channel, dropping. Similar here. Reach the top of the channel, then suddenly drop. Reach the top of the channel, drop. Reach the top of the channel, drop. So right now, let's compare it here. Ethereum hovering on the lower KC channel, pump until it breaks this channel here. Then I think we are right now on the crucial resistance level, approaching this strongest resistance at 1720, which is also the previous strongest support for Ethereum before it dropped down to this 900 level, is 1728 level. And right now we are on the top range of this KC channel, so we might possibly get a correction soon for Ethereum. But also don't remove the fact that this could still pump higher and break the resistance. It's crypto, it's crazy, but considering technical analysis, fundamental analysis, this is right now about to do a correction. So that is the reason why I'm holding my Ethereum. I'm still holding my Ethereum short position. And another reason why I'm still holding it, I have my position open at around, this was my average, I think, around here previously. And then I was outside having dinner, and then I suddenly saw the price. I think it was even lower at around 1,200 level. Then suddenly it pumped directly to 1,400 level. And right now, Ethereum is just hovering at around 1,568. Let's check the lower time frames. What time does daily candle close? You can actually activate it if you're using Binance. You can activate the candle close timer in the setting. Bro, check SYS chart, please. All right, so let me check some of the comments before we end the stream. So this is the resistance trend line that Ethereum is trying to break, similar with Bitcoin right now. So we must 23,000 still trying to break. Watch out, guys. This is forming a small cup here. Watch out. Also could get rejected from this level. overall, I think Ethereum is about to reach very crucial resistance at around 1720 level. That will be the strongest resistance for Ethereum. And also, if you're going to check the previous chart that I've shown you, the KC channel, Ethereum right now is just hovering on top of the KC channel. Let me check some of the chat before we end the stream. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Your flag didn't break. What about RSI? RSI also, let's check RSI. Rune. So time check is already 10, guys. So I have checked today Bitcoin, Ethereum, and APE. Watch out for those charts that we have checked. Those are the most important chart that you need to be watching right now. If Ethereum and Bitcoin is going to continue to pump, most of the altcoins will pump together with Bitcoin and Ethereum. RSI. Let's check RSI first in the 1 hour time frame. RSI about to reach the 100 level or overbought area in the 1 hour time frame. 2 hour time frame. This is not significant. Let's use 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. RSI is still looking bullish, guys. Blue line have crossed the orange line, but I find 1 hour more accurate compared to the 4 hour time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. Daily time frame also in the overbought area, 100 level. This is already on the peak level. So let's hope that we survive this trade. And our current average guys, for Ethereum where is the current average? Is 1399. So around this level, 1399. 1399 or 14, around this level here. So a little bit of correction. We might survive our trade. Let's see in the coming days. Let's just hope for the best. Overall, I think we are still in a bear market, and I don't also remove the fact that we could just go if we have hit the bottom. Anything could happen, but based on the previous history of Bitcoin and considering the fundamentals right now, I think we are still in a bear market, and this is just a relief rally to trap most of the retails, considering there are several black swans that about to happen. Mt. Gox about to release 150,000 Bitcoin to the market. And considering right now that the price have pumped and the average price of that 150,000 Bitcoin is around $500, and considering $23,000 right now, I would sell those Bitcoins if I'm going to get that as a payment from the previous Mt. Gox exchange. So $500 right now, Bitcoin is trading at $24,000. I think some of them would sell, and if some of them will hold, they could still buy it at the lower level. And also some inflows from some of the exchange, from wallet transferred to some of the exchanges. I think that money is going to go out of the market soon. So let's check if in the coming days. I could be totally wrong. Always manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk, and and only invest what you can afford to lose. So thanks for joining me today. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times as always, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.